Welcome to AIVA Tutorials. You'll see how easy it is to create and run tests with AIVA. Start creating a test by clicking Create New Test. Fill in the address of the tested app or page and confirm. This is the starting point of the test. AIVA shows a web browser within your browser. On the right-hand side, you can see the tested website or app. You can click, type, or scroll in it the way you normally would, and AIVA will record the steps. This is a toolbar for switching tools. Use it to add assertions, verification steps, and actions such as mouse hover. Now, let's start recording our test by navigating the website. As the first step, our test will click this link. AIVA has recorded your click. AIVA quickly translates the coordinates of your click into semantic metadata, defining the element you clicked on. AIVA took note of what you clicked on and will use that information when executing the test. Fill in the form normally as a user would. Apart from testing the user flow, a good test design verifies also other elements like informative messages or labels. To add a text verification step, use the Assert Text tool. Click the text to be verified, i.e. asserted, or draw a rectangle around it. The verification step is recorded. Now let's finish recording our test. Enter a descriptive name for your test, or let AI suggest one for you. The test is now ready and you can run it for the first time. AIVA spins up a browser in the cloud. You could now close your browser or navigate away, and the test would continue running in the background. The test has passed. The first test result has appeared in the series of result icons. Back in the list of tests, you can see the recorded test and its first result. And all it took was 5 minutes.